Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manage your Fidelity account effectively. We will begin by exploring the various account types Fidelity offers, helping you choose the best fit for your financial goals. Then, we will walk through the simple steps of setting up and funding your account, ensuring a smooth start to your investment journey. Finally, we will cover key strategies for monitoring your portfolio and making informed decisions to help your money grow. To begin, select the right account type for your needs, whether it is a brokerage account for general investing, an IRA for retirement savings, or a 529 plan for education. Next, link your external bank account securely for seamless electronic funds transfers. This allows you to easily deposit or withdraw money. Consider setting up recurring deposits, perhaps $50 weekly or $200 monthly, to automate your savings and consistently build your investment portfolio over time. Once your account is funded, you can explore a wide range of investment options, from individual stocks and bonds to exchange-traded funds and mutual funds. Leverage Fidelity's robust research tools and expert insights to make informed decisions tailored to your risk tolerance. Remember to regularly review and rebalance your portfolio, perhaps quarterly or semi-annually, to ensure it aligns with your long-term financial objectives and maintains your desired asset allocation. Fidelity offers advanced trading platforms for those seeking more sophisticated strategies, providing powerful tools for active investors. Do not hesitate to utilize their extensive educational resources, including webinars and articles, or consult with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Setting up alerts and notifications, such as price targets or news updates, can help you stay informed about market movements and your investments, empowering you to react promptly when necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.